Very good morning to all. I am Dr.C.Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today in this session, I am going to deliberate about business model canvas, BMC of a relative space company. So let me get into the video. So what is BMC? Business model canvas is a tool to analyze a particular company having their aspect of success rate and their challenges what they have made. So we are doing in our SNS institution under the pillar of Center for Creativity. So why BMC? It's a strategic management tool. As we said, it's a strategic management tool. Easily defines and communicate a business idea. That is a second important thing for this BMC. So we get into the problem statement. Relative Space Incorporation, as I said, the company have chosen is Relative Space Incorporation from the startup. It is coming under the Unicorn company. It's a very big company and it is building 3D printed rockets to make space launch faster, cheaper and more efficient. So it is having the base at US. So I have taken this from the cbinsite.com research unicorn company. So it's a unicorn company. It is having all the detail about the company in the unicorn company list. So another one I have chosen website is this relative Crunchbase. Here the Crunchbase is a important website having the detail of very strong reputed startup industry and their all communication details up to date. So I have chosen this from the Crunchbase for having the good BMC for having the good BMC. So this website I have taken from the Unicorn and analyzing the database. Coming to the why relative space incorporation. So we know this in this vertical industry verticals and innovation technologies. These technologies connected with the aerospace and defense. This industrial vertical is connected with the innovation technologies. This any one of the six innovation technology is additive manufacturing. The aerospace defense is connected with the additive manufacturing. So this company has, this is an aerospace company founded in 2015. It is having additive manufacturing and 3D printing. The company has 1,200 employees. It is located at Long Beach, California, USA. Mississippi also the branch is there. Mississippi also the branch is there. Coming to the steps for BMC. So coming from the one base to top, so it understand their curiosity and proportion in the transformation. So the second concept, the need of the steps for BMC is identify the mode of connecting their end customers. The point three of the step for BMC is understand the strategy for customer relationship. It's a very important concept, customer relationship. The fourth step is what are the key resources for this company? So based on the key resources, the growth rate is also defined. The fifth step for this BMC is what are the key activities they do to connect their customers. The sixth step to go for the BMC is why are the key partners for this company. The seventh step for the BMC is what are the components of their cost structure. The eighth point for the BMC is what are the sources for their revenue. These all the eight steps we are going to see elaborately in the next upcoming slide. So here Relative Space Incorporation BMC company is connected with these eight important points, key points. The first two point which is related to the customer segment. So the commercial satellite company, it is a commercial satellite company. It serves to defense agencies and government agencies. This is the customer segment. Coming to the second step, its channel is direct sales team, tenders and partnerships. The third step is customer relationship. It launches contracts, mission integration. The fourth one for this step is key resources. It is having the 3D printers, R&D design, testing facility, rocket architecture in nothing but all the facility to launch the rocket and test it and do R&D and based on the 3D printing method. The fifth step is the key activities. They do 3D printing of testing and operation. The sixth step for the key partners, it says about the key partners, NASA, US Space Force, material aerospace suppliers, venture capital investors. The seventh point one is cost structure of the company. It deals about the research development R&D, manufacturing launch operations and launch operations and materials. So they are dealing about the material for the cost structure and research and development. So revenue stream is commercial rocket launch and service. So these all are the 8 key points of the relative space incorporation steps involving in the BMC success. So with this, I conclude my BMC video which I gave about the relative space. I thank everyone for watching it. Thank you very much.